Thinking about switching to Wave Payroll but dreading the thought of manually entering all your employee and payroll data? You're not alone. The process of migrating data, especially when it involves sensitive information like employee details and historical payroll records, can feel like a massive and intimidating task. It's a common hurdle that stops many small business owners from making a move that could save them time and money. Whether you're moving from a different software like QuickBooks or even just a spreadsheet, the idea of a fresh start with your payroll can be exciting, but the reality of the data transfer can be a bit of a nightmare. The good news is, it doesn't have to be. While Wave Payroll doesn't have a direct, automated import tool for all data from other platforms, there are smart, efficient ways to get your information into their system with minimal hassle. So, how do you make the move as smooth as possible? First, let's talk about the key pieces of information you'll need. You'll want to have a comprehensive list of all your employees, including their full names, contact information, social security numbers, and pay rates. This is the foundation. If you're coming from a platform like QuickBooks, you can often export this information into a CSV file, which acts as a great starting point. Just be sure to double-check the formatting to match what Wave needs. Next, consider your historical payroll data. If you're a new user setting up your account mid-year, you'll need to enter your employees' year-to-date earnings and tax withholdings. This is crucial for accurate tax reporting at the end of the year. Again, your old payroll software should have this information readily available in reports. Take your time with this step and double-check your numbers to avoid any discrepancies down the line. It's tedious, but absolutely worth it. Finally, let's talk about the actual process within Wave. Their setup wizard is designed to guide you step by step. You'll be able to manually enter or copy-paste your employee information and then add their year-to-date data. While it's not a one-click solution, having all your information organized beforehand makes the process quick and straightforward. You're not sifting through old files, you're just systematically entering the data you've already prepared. It's the difference between a frustrating few hours and a smooth transition. In short, the key to a successful migration is preparation. Get all your data organized in one place, whether that's a spreadsheet or a well-formatted document, before you even log into Wave. This proactive approach turns what seems like a daunting challenge into a manageable, step-by-step task. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.